everyone! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel! In today's video guys is meron naman tayong bagong tutorial, no? So, for this look, I would like to introduce to you this kind of look. Ayan po yun yung look. Yan po yung ating look natin gagamitin, no? So, ating ipo-portray. So, ayan guys, to start this video, I would like to cover my eyebrow first. Kabiran siya natin ng ating glue. So, i-cover natin yung ating eyebrow. Uy na may balhibo. So, sunod guys is, ibabrush natin siya pa-up. Pa-up. Next is yung isa naman guys. Lagyan natin siya ng powder. So I use this BB powder kasi wala tayong budget. Next is sisilikigan na natin siya. Use this kinidkitan nga na brush. We need to work with quality. Char and so ang pag-quality char. Next niyan guys is lagyan natin siya lagyan natin siya ng concealer. So ayan guys, pagkatapos niyan guys, lagyan din natin siya ulit ng powder. Hopelessly devoted to you. Next is lalagyan din siya ng using this color ito, silver na. After that, I'm gonna using this liquid foundation from L'Oreal. Hala, na-expire na dyan siya to customize it. Brush natin siya guys, gamit siya ating brush. I'm using this brush from Shopee, and it originated by the comparison.
What the fuck?
Comparison. Okay. So gagawa tayo na ngayon na look na yung mukhang ahas guys. Shout out yan sa mga ahas na mga friend ko. Ayan. Blend natin lang siya ng ating beauty blender. So ayan guys, next ay lagyan natin siya ng powder. Next natin gagawin guys is iba-black, lagyan natin siya ng black dito guys. Next guys is yung kabila naman nating mata. Kasyang ng lalavan, diba? This look was invented by me. Na-urge siya mag-invento muna talaga tayo ng ating mga look for today's. For us to have authenticity. Char's authenticity! Char! Next is, ang gagawin natin is maglalagay tayo ng mga what we call this age.
What? What the fuck?
Age dito. Age doesn't matter. Char, so doesn't matter. So, ganito ba? So ayun guys, mag-draw tayo dito ng line. Ayan. Ay, hindi siya talaga line. Mag-draw tayo dito lang. Mag-draw lang, hindi line. So lagyan ko siya ng color paint guys sa aking mukha. Dito yung ating yung mga bakas-bakas ng ating kahapon. Char lang sa bakas-bakas. So, ayun. So next guys is I'm gonna using also this color yellow green. Gagamitin natin siyang color yellow green to blend this basta to enter this kind of functional durable foundation. So ayan guys, next natin gagawin is lagyan natin siya ng color brown dito. Wala natin isumbagan. Next is, para maganda yung kuha niyo guys, so lagyan natin siya ng color dito. So next guys, lagyan natin siya na itong mga box dito guys. Lagyan natin siya. Lagyan din natin siya dito guys. Maglagay tayo dito ng tatlong yung sinasunggulan yung sinasonggaw. Next natin gagawin guys is maglalagay tayo ng pattern. So ayan na guys, for the final look, I will be right back.
20 minutes later.
Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? I can see you.
Hi guys! So ngayon guys is meron tayong pa-shoutout. So shoutout kay Ate Jessica Bill, Jillian Serban, and also Margin Corpus. Ayan, shoutout kanyang tanan. So sa mga gusto mo pa-shoutout, just comment down below and don't forget to click notification bell, subscribe, and like button. Like button? Nabalik. Don't forget to like this video. Till next time guys, bye!